Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Dee. Today I'm here to talk to you guys about a new makeup launch in Canada. It's already launched in the States in the fall, but this month Burts Bees is coming out with their new makeup line. It's really exciting because all the products are between 98% and 100% natural. There are tons of good ingredients in them. If you want to look down below, I'll send you a link so that you can check out my full review and more details on the line. This collection is super exciting to me because, as I was saying, all the products are almost 100% natural. So you can kind of feel better about what is going on your face, what's going on your eyes, around your eyes. I wear contacts, so sometimes I have to be a little bit careful about what I wear. I know a lot of people have sensitive skin and sensitive eyes too, so these are great for you. Anyways, today I'm going to do a full look using the Burts Bees products. There are 7 products in the lineup right now that kind of cover all of your basic essential needs. Again, check below for the link and you can get more details on them. For my face, I use the Goodness Glows liquid makeup in shade Natural Beige for all over coverage. To set that, I use the mattifying powder foundation in Vanilla. To warm up my cheeks, I use the blush in shade Bare Peach. For my eyes, I use the eyeshadow palette in Dusky Woods, using the darkest shade on the outer corners, the lightest shade on the inner corners and as a base, and the shimmery gold shade as a highlight and on the centers. For definition, I use the eyeliner in shade Soft Black along the upper lash line and the lower lash line at the outer corner. To finish off my eye look, I use the Nourishing Mascara in Classic Black. For my brows, I use the brow pencil in shade Blonde. To finish off my Burts Bees look, I use the glossy lipstick in the shade Pink Pool. So this is it, my final look using only Burts Bees natural makeup products. What do you think? If you want to let me know in the comments below if you're going to give Burts Bees a try. Let me know about some other natural brands that you've been loving. I would love to hear from you. Anyways, I'll be back soon with more videos. Catch you later.